what's up? It's Kristen and this is my reviews channel. Today I am reviewing mintMONGOOSE. They had reached out to me and stated that they were going to send a box over of 3 pieces of jewelry. If you use my code Kristen, I'll have a link to their website, Kristen, and you'll get your first month baggie here of jewelry for $10. So a little bit about them. You get 3 pieces of jewelry for $12 a month plus shipping and handling. You can customize your jewelry whether you want silver or gold. You can do your preferences whether you want earrings or no earrings, necklaces, no necklaces, watches, so that's really cool. A new subscriber's first box was shipped within 48 hours, so that's great. And next box every month will come every 15th of the month. And your subscribers, well, my subscribers, will receive an awesome free gift every 3 months. So you like a wallet, wow, that's cool. Makeup or a durable pair of sunglasses, so that's really great. You can easily skip a month, cancel, that type of thing, and you'll receive 25 to 50% off everything on their online shop, plus free worldwide shipping. So that's really awesome. I'm gonna open the box here, and it comes in this really, really cute package right here. And let's open it up. Okay, so in the box, let's see. There's an item on the bottom. So the first item that I got here is this really pretty ring. I don't know if you can see that. Very pretty. So, and it's adjustable, so awesome, love it. Keeping it on my pointer finger. So there it is. Very cute. Next item, let's open this up. Oh wow, this is really cute. So here's the item. Very pretty. And it's like a long necklace. So let me try it on for you guys. This will actually work well with the shirt I have on today. So there it is. There it is. Very pretty. Love it. Awesome. And the quality is really nice as well. I've noticed, so I don't know how they knew that I like silver jewelry. My necklace currently is gold, but I really tend to gravitate more to silver. So the next item here, oh, it's the matching earrings. Very pretty. So here are the matching earrings. Right here. Very nice. And they go with this outfit. Actually, it would go great with this. Perfect. And I have a little thank you card and that they sent me for doing it. So they reached out to me. I think this is a great box. It's definitely worth the $12 a month. And try my product code or my little code down the bottom here. That is Kristen, K-R-I-S-T-I-N, and you'll get your first box for $10 and free shipping. So I think that's awesome. So go over to their website. I'll have it linked down below, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.